Buongiorno, amici. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of delightful culinary experiences. Today, we have a treat for all the coffee and gelato lovers out there: the delicious Italian affogato. Affogato, derived from the Italian word affogare, which means to drown, is a classic dessert that beautifully combines the richness of gelato with the boldness of espresso. But did you know that there's more to this delectable treat than meets the eye? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into some unknown facts about affogato that will surely surprise you. Let's start with the origins of affogato. While it may seem like a modern creation, affogato actually dates back to the early 20th century in Italy. It was born out of the desire for a quick and refreshing dessert, combining two beloved Italian culinary traditions. Legend has it that affogato was initially enjoyed by workers during their coffee breaks. They would pour a shot of espresso over a scoop of gelato to create a delightful treat that provided an energizing pick-me-up. Now, onto our next fact. Did you know that affogato is all about finding the perfect pairing of flavors? Traditionally, vanilla gelato is used due to its creamy and neutral taste, which complements the strong flavors of the espresso. However, you can experiment with other gelato flavors like chocolate, hazelnut, or even fruity variations to discover your personal favorite combination. Affogato's simplicity doesn't limit the possibility for creative toppings. Although the classic version consists of just gelato and espresso, many cafes and gelaterias have started to add various toppings to enhance the experience. From chocolate shavings to caramel drizzle, crushed nuts to a hint of cinnamon, the possibilities are endless. These toppings add an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal, making every affogato unique and exciting. One of the keys to a perfect affogato lies in the art of pouring. When adding the espresso to your gelato, you'll want to pour it slowly and directly onto the gelato. This helps to preserve the texture and integrity of both the gelato and the espresso, ensuring a harmonious blend of flavors. Remember, the beauty of affogato lies in the contrast between the cold gelato and the hot espresso, creating a delightful sensation in every spoonful. Last but not least, affogato isn't just limited to being a dessert. Its versatility allows it to be enjoyed at various times throughout the day. Some people even savor it as a midday pick-me-up, while others indulge in it as an after-dinner delight. No matter when or how you choose to enjoy it, affogato never fails to deliver its irresistible charm and delightful combination of flavors. That wraps up our exploration of the Italian affogato and its lesser-known facts. We hope you've learned something new today and feel inspired to indulge in this heavenly treat. As always, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.